Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zeel. In this video, I'll be talking about my most used makeup of 2020. Makeup that was best for me in the year 2020. And most of this makeup is from the drugstore. I highly ever invest in high-end makeup. I do invest in high-end skincare sometimes, but makeup not often. And yeah, if you want to know the makeup that I enjoyed using the most in the year 2020, then please keep on watching. Also, if you're new to my channel, hi, I make videos on makeup, skincare and hair care. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. So the first product is actually not from the drugstore, it's from the high-end. It's the only high-end product that I have in this video. It's the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. I had been wanting to get this product since years, and in 2020 I finally splurged and I got it. And ever since I've got it, I think in say 5 out of 10 makeup looks that I've created on Instagram and YouTube, I've used this to first prep and prime my skin before applying foundation, and at the end to set my makeup. I know it's expensive, but I think I'll be able to get a good use out of it in the coming year as well. So the next product is a foundation. It's the L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hour Stay Fresh Foundation. I really like the base products from L'Oreal Paris and especially the L'Oreal Infallible range. They also have a Pro Matte foundation and then they have this liquid foundation, and I personally prefer liquid foundations over all other formulas like a foundation stick or a BB cream. I really like the finish of a liquid foundation, and talking about this foundation, right from the finish to the coverage to everything, basically I have been really enjoying using this, and especially the shade match. My shade is 150 Radiant Beige. It's such a good shade match for me. Every time I wear it, I have people asking me what foundation is it, it's matching your skin so well. So yeah, I have been really enjoying using this foundation. So the next product is a contouring palette. It's from Wet n Wild. It's the Mega Glow Contouring Palette Contour in the shade Caramel Toffee. And when I first started using makeup, this was one of my initial buys because I felt it was so beginner friendly. It came with a powder to set your face, to set your concealer, and a powder to bronze or contour your skin. And I still feel it's really great for beginners, especially this yellow shade. I love how it sets my concealer, and because it has yellow undertones, it instantly brightens my under eye as well. About the contour powder, it's a little bit too pigmented for my skin tone, but I dab my brush just a little and I'm good. I think this contouring palette comes in one more shade, but for the Indian skin tones, I think this one is a better shade match. The next product is the Flower Beauty Flower Pots blush. The variant here is Peach Primrose. It was so difficult to find a good matte blush from the Indian drugstore until I came across these. I think Milani makes similar looking pretty blushes, but Flower Beauty is comparatively inexpensive to Milani, and I really enjoy the Flower Beauty blushes. Even the liquid blushes that launched on Nykaa in 2020, they are so good. If you're somebody who's looking for a powder blush and specifically a pretty peachy shade, I think Peach Primrose is a really good shade. And a quick heads up, all of these shades are very pigmented. You don't need a lot. Coming to the eye category, the first product is an eyeshadow palette from NYX. It's a NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette in the shade Warm Neutrals. Anytime somebody asks me to recommend one eyeshadow palette which has both mattes, shimmers and shadows with good quality, this palette would be my first recommendation because look at the shades. They are such beautiful neutral shades, from creating everyday neutral nude makeup looks to creating glam makeup looks for occasions. I think this palette is all you need. I haven't done a lot of eye makeup in 2020, but anytime I sat down to film a makeup video or a talking video, I found myself reaching out for this product the most. The next product is a kajal from Colorbar. It's the Just Smoky Kajal in the shade Just Marsala. Colorbar as a brand is one of my most favorite drugstore brands, and this product, like all of the other products has been one of my most favorite, most loved product of 2020. What I really love about this specific kajal is that it comes with a smudging tool at the other end, and what I would do is, you know, apply the kajal on my lower and my upper lash line and then use the smudging tool and smudge it out so that it does not look as harsh. And especially the shade Just Marsala is like a beautiful grungy brown, because it's not black. I feel it looks you know, really soft and pretty. So the next product is a no-brainer. If you've been around even for a little while, you know my love for the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. I cannot emphasize enough on how beautiful my eyelashes look after using this. They look so fluttery, intensely voluminous, and such great quality. If you have to pick one mascara from the drugstore, L'Oreal Lash Paradise is the way to go. Coming to lipsticks, these two have been my most used lipsticks of 2020. First is the Nykaa Ultra Matte lipstick in the shade Diana. It's a beautiful rosy pink nude shade, a shade that I think would suit all skin tones. What I would usually do is that I would apply it on my eyes, cheeks and lips, and it would give me a pretty monochromatic look. I think it was the first time I tried the Ultra Matte formula in 2020, and I can safely say that out of all of their lipstick ranges, Matte to Last, So Matte, Matte Luxe, Ultra Matte has to be my favorite, and this shade, my friend, is a steal. Another lipstick that I've been reaching out a lot is the Lakme Matte Melt Liquid Lipstick. It's in the shade Nude Hit. It's a peachy brown shade. I recommend this shade for fair to medium skin tones. I think for dusky skin tones it might wash you out a little. But the formula, I think the shade range is also really good. If you're looking for a good nude liquid lipstick, definitely check this range out. Coming to the last product of this video, it's the Nykaa nail enamels. I really like using their nail enamels. I think they have a great shade range, but I have one particular nail paint in specific. It's the Masaba by Nykaa nail paint in the shade Magaj Mari. As quirky as the name is, I think this shade is also very unique and very pretty. I obviously love my neutral nude shades, but colors like these, they tend to attract me a lot. And yeah, I think I've been enjoying the Masaba by Nykaa and just the Nykaa nail enamels a lot in the year 2020. So these were my most used makeup products of 2020. Have you tried any of them? Are they your favorites as well? Let me know in the comment section below. And the links to buy all of these products will be in the description box. You can check that out. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new video.